Hello, I am Nahida with you and welcome to In Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a soft, creamy and delicious milk bread pudding, a simple dessert that melts in your mouth. Let's get started. Preparing the bread. Take some bread slices, cut the edges and keep aside. Making the pudding mixture. In a pan, add 2 cups of milk. Mix in 1/4 cup corn flour and 1/4 cup sugar. Stir well until smooth. Let it boil and cook until the mixture thickens. For a richer taste, use full-fat milk or replace some milk with cream. Add a dash of vanilla essence for an extra flavor boost. Corn flour helps thicken the pudding without using eggs. Keep aside. Now assembling the pudding. Place a layer of bread slices in a mold. Soak with some milk. Pour the thickened pudding mixture over the bread. Repeat the process for multiple layers. Pudding desserts have been enjoyed for centuries and were originally made as a way to use up leftover bread. Spread pistachios and cherries on top. Adding pistachios not only enhances flavor but also adds a delightful crunch. Keep in the fridge for 1 hour to set. Slice and enjoy. If you like a farmer pudding, let it chill for at least 2 hours. This milk bread pudding is soft, creamy and absolutely delicious. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how you like your pudding. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to In Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy and delightful recipes. See you in the next video.